Why? We. Me.
where babies come from. Apparently they come from throwing a bunch of presents. My dad told me it came from banging. I guess he lied. It takes two to make a baby, but Alex is helping me make a baby. That's how you make a baby, Alex. Oh yeah, love making babies. Oh, yeah,
It's right there. Right there. It's right there. Where? Right there. It's moving. No. Okay.
Oh, look at the little baby, aren't you?
I need to figure out why these bitches keep coming in here.
There he is, my baby. I'm gonna call you Goodley. Your name is Goodley. No, he's actually
Ooh, bitch.
Frank. Gingy and Frank. About to rock into.
I'll go pick it. I'll pick it up.
Solo squatted. I'm never a solo when I've got my son Frank on my side. Don't you talk to me about my son ever again. Ready to go, mate?
I'll pick it up.
Yeah, bring it on. Oh my God, Frank! Frank, no, hold on, Frank! As a parent, I am traumatized. None of this sports. I'm gonna have to be sweaty meat. I'm gonna have to go as try hard as possible. Well, with my son on my side, anything is possible. Get it done, son. Believe it or not. Alright, let's see what we get. Hopefully, good luck. Yeah. I mean, solid goal, everything's good. As YouTube Rewind said, shout out to all the single moms.
Take a moment to work along.
Yes, I am a working mom. Give me a moment, please. He's actually just looking for his dad. How's his dad going? Frankie,
Go in it,
it's
okay.
it's
Go in
solid
it.
goal. Why is there a
Oh my
problem?
gosh,
Okay,
it's
I will
moving.
take it.
What is that?
But I am questioning why.
What is that
Alright,
shit?
Frankie, Mummy's gonna teach you how to use RPG today, okay?
Oh no!
You gonna get hard like that?
Down my
You're
leg.
gonna get
Right
like
now.
that, Frankie.
Go in it.
That's how you use an RPG, alright? You learn something? Oh, goody dad putting kills. Oh, too late to Alright, Frankie. Frankie, that's an airplane, alright? That's what we do against the...
Yeah, I don't have to go on 20 so I'm going to go back.
That's not.
How did I just take 6 points down? I'm gonna commit uninstall life. I swear to God. I'm going to commit uninstall life. Frankie, I know you're always grumpy, but this is something you should actually do. Swing at the beam and Frankie. Yeah, Mama Grizzly's bears get super aggressive and stuff. I'm a Mama Grizzly. Yeah, I've got two people watching us. I'm going to teach you how to float like a complete makeup. Yes, thank you, thank you. I'm actually a YouTuber, by the way. I'm actually incredible. Yes, thank you. I'm incredibly famous and amazing. Yeet! What? What? Yeah, get tank damage, buddy. Go and chase him. I can teach you how to destroy this man's world, Frank. That's how you kill someone, Frank. Get out of my game. I didn't get the kill, but I did all the damage. Get out of my game. There's multiple teams here. Let's go chill out. Let's go chill out. There's multiple teams. So sweaty. Alexa, this is so sweaty. I'm just gonna kill with my trap. He tried to drop down. What an idiot. Oh my god, they're everywhere. I'm just chilling. I'm literally just chilling. This is so sweaty. I'm gonna teach you how to sweat, boy. They're literally everywhere. Like, I am completely surrounded. This is legitimately terrifying. No! TTV! TTV! And that Frankie is how do you die to a Twitch streamer in the top 10? Alright, Frankie, welcome your new stepdaddy, Fresh. Frankie, I'm about to teach you how to get carried by Fresh. It's a family tradition. Like, yeah, there's a lot of people there. Alright, let's, yeah, I'm taking the list. There's nothing on the roof. I'm there with you. Oh my god, just look. I'm gonna pick our spot. I got a knock. I'm going down here. Come on. There's people there. Fuck off. Actually, just fuck off. You little shit. Oh, yeah, man. Game. The roof, on the roof. Okay, just forgot the box. I'm a mama bear and I protect my cub. Sorry, what? Yeah, that's bad. This is what Fresh is here for. Say thank you, Fresh. Oh, what's in the present? Oh, look, it's Fresh. Cool, I got an RPG out. Purple RPG, by the way. Not sure what's up there. Go towards retail, alright. Start enjoying, stop smoking your candy games. Told ya, drugs are bad. I was saying anyone from the bar. Oh, yeah. You're broken. I am in need of assistance. Holy, he is some this guy. Jesus. I got you, buddy. Now take us up. Let's go aerial hunting. Let's teach Frankie how to hunt from the air, right? I understand. Leave out Sky. Oh, he's low. Oh, he's low, he's low. He's low. Let's get him. Oh, come on. Come on, man. We're gonna do it. I was gonna do that. I was gonna teach Frank how to thirst people like an arsehole. Oh, there's a bush. He's a bush. He's a bush. He's mine. He's mine. Yes, that's what you get. Now I'm going to teach him how to thirst like a wanker. Here we squads are left. West. Oh, God. 7 left. Frankie, hold tight. Hold tight. This is what happens. You stick by Fresh and do his thing. Why are you both shooting at us? Alright, we're sweating super hard here, Frank. It's just how it be. Look at this crap team. They're staring at us. Oh, there's people in front of us. There's a whole squad everywhere. There's entire squads literally everywhere. Oh my God, bro. This is so tense. What the hell is happening? Why is there 2 squads both aiming at us and not fighting each other? What is happening? We're getting behind launch and get on top of them. Let's go. So what? Oh, they're doing the same thing. Oh, no. Don't worry about me. Frankie's mad. Look at him pretend he's mama. Oh my God. What the hell is this sweat? This is actually unbelievable. We need to leave. Let's have 100 meter. Let's go. Oh my God, this is so sweaty. I'm sitting here, I'm just in a panic. Stick together. This is solid gold for shit's sake. What is this? Oh! Oh, you're on another rocket. Where are they? These rocket launchers. They're right outside. Careful, flat rock launcher. Maybe rest around. Oh, I sucked him up too. Stay in the air. There's a whole squad versus that one guy, but that one guy's sweaty. He's gonna take out a couple of them. You're gonna hide and just shoot them when they're not looking. 1 left. 1v1? Now check this. We're doing Frankie. Frankie! My light just fell! That's how you do it, Frank! You don't come in a mama bear! You don't come in a mama bear and come! You don't come between us! I have 25 spectators. What? I've got 24. We've got 24 kills together. Was that a freaking scrim? What was that shit? We did it for you, Frank! Welcome to the world, beautiful baby Ginge. It's like the baby Jesus, but way better. Also, solid gold. Great game mode, except where's the solos? I think if we learned anything from this video, it's that I make a fantastic error. Bolt snipers, gone. SMGs, gone. Heavy shotguns, gone. Burst rifles, gone. It's all gone. I hope they remember you. And what have they replaced it with? A snowman chiller grenade. Also, the silenced SMG has returned. Let us see if this chiller grenade is worth what we have lost on this day. F's in chat. Update day with Blaze Beam and Mr. Fresh. I do the memes and he kills the streamers. They've updated the Patriots jerseys to be the Super Bowl jerseys. Therefore, I will be Tom Brady in this video, but Gingerbread is represented by Baby Ginge. Alright, we normally land retail. So, how about we land retail? Be good to us. Oh, dude, there's a whole restaurant now. Oh, the whole Durburger restaurant in retail now. Weird. Yeah. Alright, I'm landing Doghouse as we always do. Do some good, baby. Back door. Hand cannon. That's all I got. Where is he? There's a man out here. He's run to Broken. Let's hunt him down. No signs of chiller grenades yet. Oh, I got. Oh my. Get out of my cave. I got one. Get out of my cave. Oh, yeet. Alright, 2 of the new grenades. They look mean. Oh shit. This guy has some of the grenades too. I'm gonna test it. Ah, he got launched, but so did I. Second. Now this thing is sick, I can already tell. Oh, and this guy had more of them, and he also had a silenced SMG. There's people on Broken, but then they've got people pushing. Oh shit, that guy got the lead. Let's finish him off. The slow stick is real life. I have literally no mats. Get out of my game. Nice. Alright. That silenced SMG just there. Literal laser. A lot silence SMG to be in the game. I wonder if it's going to be like the old one, which was an absolute weapon of mass destruction.
Yeah,
Well, it's got first shot accuracy. Alright, so I'm in the choir to go hunt for people to use these grenades on.
Dang it.
Ouch, that hurt.
And then we got this bad boy.
You ready? Yeah, launch! I launched him off the plane, bro. And he's still sliding. Yeah, line him up, line him up, line him up!
His lights.
His lights. Alright, go into the silence. Okay, well you can just... I love playing with you, Fresh, you sweaty bastard. Dude, I absolutely set him flying with this thing. Straight out of the plane.
I think that's pretty good.
Nah, I thought these were going to be garbage. They're literally a meme in a grenade. Where they at? Do I see him? Oh, he's got a minigun. Oh, this is going to suck. Trash! You don't have to kill everybody!
I'm sorry. Look, the guys southeast are all yours. They're good. No, look. The guys on the mountain. You see him? Yeah. I reckon you can move. You've got to get the guys behind us.
Ready? Right there. Got him! Go on,
He's doing full act.
Gotta get the second one. Get the second one. He's moving into the storm, bro. Get him! Yeah! Streamer, by the way. Now, I can already tell these natives are going to be the greatest addition to the meme economy in recent memory. Alright, I'm going to get final kill with it, that's for certain. We're going to wait till small zone. These things are actually disgusting.
Just be boring right now. Just like wait.
I'm honestly considering making love to this hand grenade. I'm going to save him till I can launch people in the storm. We're getting the final kills with this. 4 players left for us to kill. Alright, we just wait till this circle gets smaller and smaller, and then we find people just launch in that storm. Go. Keep building up, just keep building up. Don't get lazy out of the sky.
Yeah, finish first. Oh! It's not a team.
It's not 10. Oh, he just launched on it.
Launching around. I take 70 for shield. You're going to kill him and leave last one.
Yeah. Okay.
He's pretty much dead. Yeah, he's dead.
Alright, so there's one guy left. Where is he?
Where'd he go? Where's that going to be at?
Do I waste one now, you reckon?
If you can get an angle on it.
Oh, he's built. This is what he's worth.
Yeah, you'll be able to chuck it on it.
I've only got you two.
Yeah,
Is he in hard? Is he hard?
I think so, yeah.
Where's he gone? Oh, dude, he's so far in. There's no way.
Oh, look at him!
Oh, got him! First game with him, bro. Final kill with him. Oh, these are the best additions to get. You know it's a good meme when I'm with Biden trying to build a meme. Oh my goddamn god. That's going down as the sweatiest build fight I've ever seen in my life. Look at that shit. We got tons of natives. I want a meme. Alright, 3 players left. We're on the
There's
top.
a guy getting touched down there. Might chuck one on him.
Where is he?
So he's down like down here.
I'm gonna sneak in. Got him.
Oh!
What? You got him. Alright, I'll do it. Oh, they're building up.
So,
No, you got him.
oh, that moved him.
No, he's gone.
Oh, he's full dead.
He's dead. Alright, where's the final boy? Do you have a launch or anything?
No.
Oh, we have to build out. Where is he?
Run around. So the floor.
Where's he?
Moved him.
Oh, I'm out of mats. Come with me. See you, buddy. He's done. There's no way he's surviving. He's done. Thank God, our second victory royale with the Yee natives. Touchdown. I love this shit. Guys, if you're going to stream tonight, you can't just hang with this. There's a trouble. Okay? Do you have a trap or anything?
Yeah.
We have a trap and I'll launch him anyway.
We move for there.
Yeah. Put a floor on. Oh! Bro, come in. Jinto, we want to launch you. Stand here. You ready, buddy? Open it up. Let's see it. Stream stuff is the best. Love you guys. That's what happens when you watch Mr. Fresh stream. Get to join in on Lions memes. Shout out to that good guy stream stuff. Alright, me and Fresh are in another top 10 with these things. I've got 12 of the bad boys.
He's sitting on that flat.
Yay! You enjoying it? Well, no, fuck.
There's a princess just sitting here. Oh, so she dropped some stuff.
Oh, she dropped more. She dropped boogie bombs there. I'll take some. I'll take some. Yeah.
Oh, one of it's what? Go for the yellow, go for the yellow.
You go on.
It's the yellow track.
I think I got both of them. Touchdown, Patriots. They're both gone, baby.
One guy, restore.
He's looking at us. He's looking at us.
Oh, that's huge.
Oh,
Oh, no.
he's a sweaty boy. Oh, he's a YouTuber or some shit. Get him fresh. Do you have any left?
He just died to fall.
He died to fall. God damn it! I wanted the dub, but not like that. We're starting the game with some. Oh, dude, no, let's take him to the roof and watch him off. Okay. Now, come on. Stream Sniper, come here. Come here. Come here, Stream Sniper. Come here. And there he goes, baby. I love these things. It's going to be my new favorite way to kill a Stream Sniper. Oh my god, you boss soul Stream Sniper. You got yeeted so far, bro. Alright, another top 10 for the boys. We've both got 6 of them. Fresh has got some snowmen, so we can snowman someone and send them in the storm. We can drive by, yeet them from a plane. I don't know, we'll come up with something. There's only 2 other players left. Yeah, there's one down there. I say we just take one out.
Yeah, the last guy, the other guy's a stream sniper, dude.
Last 2 people are a Stream Sniper and this chick. Yeah, watch it.
There's a fish across.
There's a Stream Sniper and then this else a chick. Stream Snipers don't count for memes, boys, so
Should I just do him?
we gotta get this. Yeah, kill the Stream Sniper in case he betrays us.
Coming out.
Alright, so what's our plan, Freshy boy? We're gonna try and snowman and then launch. She's under. I can't see her right now. She's sneaking under our girls. Yeah, if you can hit her. Whoa, come on, matey, let's get her.
Oh, got it.
Oh, I think I got her. No, I accidentally got her. She's. Keep trying. She's gotta be low now. I got it. I got it too. See you, bitch. See you, bitch. Oh, don't die. There's no. Yeah. Come on, help. There's no way. That was incredible. We need to dissect what's happened. I take the L. I think she's done for. She laces me, bro. Fresh is launched into the storm as well. He hits 1 HP, but guess who dies first? Bloody Princess. Something about the dumb shit potential of this item, combining with our dumb shit, has formed a super weapon. It's absolutely unfathomable. We are unkillable. We are gods. Despite it being January 23rd, almost a month after Christmas, they've added wearable snowmen to the game. Despite it being 1 a.m. in Australia, they forgot to put them in the actual game. They put them in creative mode, but didn't put them in the actual game. It's 1 a.m. epic. I just passed late. So like every update day, we're just gonna look for the item and do some dumb crap with it. Yeet. So we're in creative mode. Let's see how these work. Equip. Hey, look, there's a snowman right there. Alright, how do these work? Holy shit! Crikey! Oh my god. So you can kind of throw them down. Alright, and then you can wear one yourself, right, like this. And all of a sudden, you're invisible. Don't fuck with me. I'm in a gang. Oh my god. Mate, you can trap people with. Wait, chill. Alright, I want to do something fresh. Hold on, just chill. Oh, this is something I generally always do. Alright, question what I do for a living. Oh, no. Yeah, you can only throw 5 down.
I tried to cope it.
No, I was trying to draw a giant. It's a snowman. Yeet. Gotcha. Right, French. What's up, dude? Wiggle, baby. Alright, we've confirmed they are in the game. So let the memes begin. I want my snowmen. Should be common. I want awareness. Oh, this I guarantee is common.
Give it out.
No, there's no joy.
Oh, yes.
You found something? Hey! Snowman, they're in the game. Fresh, you take 2. Alright. suspect me.
Chase me.
They do not suspect me.
Ow.
I'm in position. They've never suspected. Oh shit!
They know.
I'm ready to go on out. Now, when you get discovered, you just yeet out. Alright, well, first test of the snowman. Didn't fall for it at all. And we're just going to creep across the episode. It's so big on your screen, right? Like, you can't see shit. Honestly, this is content by itself, eh? Just run the record. It's people that did it. Oh, you know what I want to see? I want to run as simple line as this. You ready? No! Yay! Oh no, I'm going to hide again and use my last one. I'm hiding and using my final snowman.
I'm running.
I'm just chilling here.
Get out of here. I'm going to hide his spot.
These guys run right past me. Freshy, he shot towards me and ran right past me. They think I'm a real snowman. Just let the guy. He just ran past me. Come close to him. Hey, buddy. He literally just. Oh shit. Okay, don't die, Freshy boy.
I'm just letting one. Got a plan.
Got it.
1099.
Attacking fat. Got him. Get out of my game, kid. You trash. Oh, they just bailed over us. Oh, we should sweat these guys. Sweaty into a. It's a snowman!
The other snowman's over there.
No, hold on. I want to become a Snowman Brothers. Yeah, let's all become Snowman Brothers. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. I'm sorry for thirsting your friend. I really am. Oh yeah. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Melt off all your clothes. All right, box him in and I'm gonna trap him.
I think he's just accepting it. Goodbye.
There we go, buddy. It was nice playing with you. There we go. Okay, I got one more snowman. We have to see what it looks like when snowmen fly planes. Alright, I'm gonna swap seats with you. You use yours, and we'll see if you can fly the plane while we're in the snowman.
Totally fit.
This is iconic. I can't see the people.
Just where I'm driving onto the street.
Take one of them fat.
Oh, she's so far. Wish we could done that shot.
This chick is super low. Got him?
Just not close there.
I'm fighting zombies right now. Oh my god, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go on. We're gonna see if you got snowman. Oh, there's people here.
Got people in the other forest.
I'm gonna snowman real quick. Remember there's still two duos? Someone's making me move, but I'm creeping as a snowman, Freshy boy. Back.
Oh, he's like 1 health. Oh, he's dead.
Come on. I'm going for, I need to find more health or something. I'm super. Oh, we won! We won!
I didn't know the other dude died.
Alright, well, that's our first game with Snowman. We got a dub. Now I want a meme compilation.
Oh, it's a snowman.
What?
Flying through the skies. He's up. You know you're not.
This is suspect.
Oh, so let him use it.
I didn't want to let him use it. We got more Snowman.
The 3.
I got 3.
It's so dumb. It's so big.
Oh no!
Oh! Someone. Oh, no. Oh, fuck yeah, my
No,
snowman.
I'm gonna kill him now. We're gonna kill him, otherwise we'll get done for teaming.
Snowman's dead.
We'll get done for teaming and we have to kill them. Bear! Come here! Alright, we've got 8 snowmen. Black cluster. We have 8 snowmen. My god. There's people on the hill. Let's avoid them and go down here. There's also people down here. There's snowmen down here. Oh, I see. We can move it here. We can get in. They're right there. They're sitting right there. Just chill the edge of this. They're right there. They're looking this way. Oh, come on. Come on, matey.
Oh, they're looking at us. They definitely saw us.
There's no way they haven't seen us. Oh, they just killed those guys. There's a soccer skin right there.
He looked out.
This is weird. There was just a mad sweat fest in front of us and we were fine. The only problem is it's not obvious when you move.
You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, he has rock on the shot. see him. The default.
Zombies are fighting the snowman.
Oh, the zombie just killed the snowman next to me. Oh my god.
It's chill. I don't know. I don't want to move.
Yeah, I'm not looking.
We don't do anything unless we get like
I
boss.
just hope they run past because of storm. Oh, then they kill all the zombies.
I hear someone.
There's a guy right next to you.
Oh
Right
my
next to
god,
you.
he's right in front of me. He ran.
They're right here, both of them.
Crash, don't move. Commit the act. Commit to the act. We can watch the replay later. Just commit to the act.
They take the run past.
What?
Oh my god.
He's right there. Dude, they're right in front of me. They're
He
right.
just jumped over me.
Just run behind him. Just run behind him. Just stand and stop. Well, there's no way he didn't notice that. There's no way. Commit. Go. Run behind their builds. Chill. Behind their builds. Yeah. Here. I'm good. Chill. Stop. Stay still.
No, it's deeply.
No, it's final duo. That is final duo. We need to move again. We just need to move.
Just hide.
Just run. I'm just running. I'm basically in the circle. This is final duo. Save it for. No, they're healing. Just stay still.
Oh, Jesus!
They're coming. They're sweating hard for us. Hey, buddy.
Take back.
Dude, he ran past me.
Oh, go, good time, zombie! Oh! No!
Go. That guy's
Oh,
sweating.
yeah?
This guy's sweating. There's no way he falls for it again, so. We should probably just kill him. Dude, zombies, dude. There's so many zombies.
We're gonna lose because these zombies.
We're gonna lose because of zombies. I'm dead. Don't take storm damage, dude. No! Okay, mate, you can sweat hard all you bloody want. I don't even care about the win there. Who gives a shit about the win there? We won the war. He won the battle. He won the battle at the end, but we won the war. Scissors has been defeated. Yes, I completed a scissors death map. Therefore, I am free. But I need a new challenge. A man by the name of Jag has created a map. It's apparently trippy as balls. This is my new challenge. But hey, it's been a while. Do not forget Code Laserbeam. Honestly, with half my vids getting copyrighted and YouTube screwing over my ad revenue because I swear, Code Laserbeam is the main way I support this channel. But also remember the code expires every 14 days, and whoever's code you use, mine or someone else's, make sure there's something in there. Your favorite creator needs your support. Hey Brawl, you ready to hate yourself? Welcome to Laserbeam channel.
I'm not ready.
Yeah, buses. Dude, what's your IQ? Mine's pretty low.
Oh, mine's probably lower than yours.
Oh, we're backed up. Alright, neither of us have any idea how this is supposed to work, but essentially it's puzzles, it's escaping, we'll figure it out. Alright, go through that door in case it's a trap. Now you just go through, just in case it's a trap. Just go through. Oh, is it good? Does it save? You see? Alright, sick. Yeah, alright, there's a dummy. That's sick. We seriously have no idea how this one's supposed to work. We have looked at no promotional material, nothing like that. It's mouse off his desk. We haven't even started the game yet. The game has now started. We're back where we belong. I can't break that desk. Oh shit! I'll try to shoot you. Wait, oh my god! There's robots in these cages. Oh shit! He's got a gun. Too bad you're a bot.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I would really am.
Oh, you're a bot. You're a bot. I'm standing still, dude. Oh, imagine being a bot. So where do we go? We've entered a giant room. What's the puzzle? Escape the bots. Is that the puzzle? I see tires. I'm just gonna jump. Yay! Alright, now they can't hit me. I think we beat that part of the map. I think we know smarter than bots. We might be dumb asses, but we're still smarter than robots. There's a giant sign that says leave. Oh, there's a giant sign that says leave. Surely it can't be that easy. Alright, well, you go in just in case it's a trap. That's it. Not for dead. It's just a chair. Surely it's not just that. There's a chair in there. Well, you're right. Alright, see, this is where it gets hard. You know there's some sort of like secret room or some shit. Where you going, bro? Into this truck. Oh, going to a truck. I'm coming in. Yeah? Got anything? That's the truck. You good, bro? Stop it. What's up? Alright, where we're going. These Ivy. I'm telling you right now, the second best for me.
Over here, I mean,
I knew it. All my past experiences dealing with these stupid maps told me there'd be a secret entrance. Yeah, bro, tell me if you any traps in there, dude.
nah, you're dead, it's up there.
Alright, come on. What's up? Yeah, secret entrance in the Ivy. Yeah. Alright, more doors. More doors? God damn, this guy must be a scissors fan. Oh, what the oh, it's me. Must mean something. Like, real challenges. Late demons. Oh shit, it's rolled. It's another door maze. Oh, god damn it. Oh, we got more doors. More doors. More doors. I feel like Frodo Baggins going to Mordor. More doors. Yeah. No, I'm legit trapped in mirror room. There's mirrors everywhere I go. Ah, this shit just hurts the brain hole, man. Oh, stairs. You upstairs? Yeah. Got it. Stairs, come in. Oh yeah, just gotta walk around. Alright, I'm going up. Alright, more doors at the top of the stairs. Damn it. I was gonna just spam open doors for all and then tell me if you find anything. Yeah. Just spam all open. Oh, this hurts. I'm gonna have eye leak from opening so many doors. Man, my brain hurts. Alright.
I guess we're looking for another staircase, possibly.
I was running. Oh, I found one. I found a staircase, bro. Come to me. Oh yeah, nice. Swing around. Up the next staircase.
Guess what?
More doors?
More doors.
Oh my god. This isn't a puzzle. This isn't a challenge. This is just torture. That's all this is. You just spam open the doors until you find a freaking staircase, and then there's more doors, and then there's more staircases.
Oh, here we go. I mean.
You found one?
I got a surprise for you.
Well, sounds like a pleasant surprise.
Oh, okay, so,
Oh! Checkpoint.
it's explosives.
Okay, so in my experience, this is going to be one of those like secret path rooms, like I did in Scissors Map. Basically, there's a bunch of invisible death traps, but you have to find the safe path. Now, luckily, I have Brawl here. So, Brawl, find the safe path. Here you go. Yeah, so that's what you're here for. I mean, if I jump in yet, stop. We all just appreciate having Brawl here. This is fantastic. Your turn. You go. Here. I just found. See, after your trial and error, I found the safe way to go, bro. Now go there. Try that. With together, bro, we will accomplish this. All right, let's chill. All right, let me tell you where to go. Go there. Go across that way. Go on. See, told you. You're fine. Now go forward. See, you're fine, big boy. All right, now I'm just gonna follow along once you tested it safe. Now go forward again. Go that way. No. All right, bro. Go forward. Go forward that way. Okay, there goes my luck. I don't think Brawl died, so it doesn't really matter. You remember the path back? Alright, go there. Alright, go there. Yeah, alright. Now I feel like it's gonna be possible. Go there, Brawl. Go there. Let's go there, Brawl. Alright, we good. Sure this is gonna be I know it'd be too sus. I have a theory that if you jump on those things, then jump up, you'll be fine. Jump up on like on the placard things. Yeah. Oh my god. Mate, see this guy has nothing on Scissors. Scissors tortured me for long enough, but I'm just a god at this shit. Alright, ready? My turn. Yeah. Checkpoint, baby. See?
I'll test my luck with you.
No. See, this is where it gets harder, bro. Yeah, there you go. See? Alright, we'll figure it out already. Yeah, you should have gone for it, bro. Nah, this one's gonna be a windy path. It's too obvious. Yeah. Go there. Go that direction. Straight. Yeah, straight. Oh yeah. Alright. Now go that way. Oh my god, I'm actually good. Go that way. I'm so tired of dying in these death maps that I've just brought in the sacrificial brawl. Hey, buddy, we made it to the end. We made it. Oh, we got the dance. Alright, another checkpoint. Oh, god damn, they just get bigger. We've got to get to there. Alright, up there, buddy. On this one. turrets. So yeah, good idea. We can use sprays to find out where we're going. Because I see, is this you? Yeah. Well, see, I seen that on the ground. I thought it was a hint from like people that made it. So we can use sprays to figure out what's walls and what's not. Just so you know you've been there before, just like spray everything. Oh, this just hurts my eyes, bro. I can't even see you anymore, dude. Yeah. Oh, on me, there's like a tunnel. Where are you? Yeah. You got a tunnel? Yeah. See here? So it's kind of like. Oh, there you go. Bro, I'm down the hole. Oh, my eyes are actually in pain. Bro, let's tunnel there. I see the outside world, bro. Dude, I see the outside world. Wait, I need to see if we keep moving. You stand still. Oh! Do we get it? Oh! Holy shit! Colors! There! Colors! It's so nice to see colors again. Oh, that just hurts. That just hurts. Oh my god, it's a bounce castle. Oh, you know what it is though? We have free to play, right? Okay, yeah, it's with word there. Oh, yeah, I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta start bouncing around. Oh, I'm ready, dude. I am ready. Oh, this is the party. Oh, yeah, I see it up there. So basically, we've got to bounce high enough to get up to that. So, yeah, okay, this like simple as shit. You bounce around corner to corner like this, and you slowly gain height every time you do it. And then you, oh, I almost got it. You golden, bro. Ah, come on. I don't think I've made that much progress here. If you start going too high too early, you'll hit. I'm up, baby. I'm up, baby. Best believe I'm about to turn up on the D4, bro. Oh my god. Nah, see, this shit is easy mode. Since this death course is kind of prepared me, this shit is easy. Got it. Yeah, third time. Yeah, Broly boy. Broly boy's up here. So like, we figured out the puzzle like immediately every time. Now, this is a very beautiful map and very creative, but they're goddamn easy. Oh god. It's one of those like freaky staircase paintings. Yeah. Oh, you've got to find the right staircase path. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is limber. This is some limber. Oh, I'm just gonna randomly hop though. We'll find the way. It's on me. We can't get there. We go down one. Where are you? You found the corner. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see it. I see the exit. Really? It's like a God damn, we're gangsters. It's not just I found it. Oh no, railings. That's what I'm saying. The railings are like blocking us. But I have actually found it incredibly easy. This is so insanely creative and beautiful, but it's so goddamn easy. Yeah. Right, now we've got like a weird snowy tunnel. Actually, you go first in case it's traps. And it's fire burning. We've got random snowy ice tunnel now. Oh, we got torches. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, we found the Ice King's lair. Really? Found the Ice King's lair? Damn. This looks like a lot of parkour. Oh, it's kind of boring. You can look up there. Is that a ledge we're gonna get to? No, I'm not thinking it's that ledge. I don't think it's that ledge. Actually, it might be here. Okay, now I found a way, I think. I found a way. Oh, dude, what's that? Oh, what? That looks like a friggin' Pokemon. You know what I'm talking about? Oh my god, what the hell is this? This is friggin' gorgeous. Is it? Well, I mean, it makes sense. We're in a dream world, bro. Yeah, it actually is. I dream of Pokemon, apparently. I think I see like a doorway over there. Yeah, make my way over the logs. I think it's this way. This is the more obvious. By the looks of it, it's not. It's not the way. We have the low IQs, right? We have the low IQs, therefore we think outside the box because we don't know how to think inside the box. Oh, here's another nerd space here. Let's just keep exploring, dude. We'll find the way. I'm going to inspect one of these ledges. Oh, dude, nobody hit. It's through. Oh, there's a here. And this ledge here. Run back there, bro. No, this is it. This is like a tunnel. It's like the black tunnel, the white tunnel. Oh, no, it's like one of those mirror rooms. Dude, make sure your shadows are on nothing. Oh, God, so many gingers. There's gingers everywhere. It's just like after they brought back gingers to the item shop. Make sure you use code LAZERBET. Oh, is this happening? Yeah, like a little drop down. Oh, my God, it still hurts my eyes, though. Ooh, another one. Lord. It's a big hallway. So this whole dream map is sick. It's making me trip absolute nutsack. Now, this entire map is some of the most gorgeous shit I've ever seen. Maybe it ain't that complicated, but it's bloody gorgeous. My axe was just glowing and it's like, you got the marshmallow one, it's sick. Oh my god, I'm tripping. jump on it. Oh my god, it's a giant, like, colossal skin man.
Is it?
Oh my god, he's a crazy giant. He's the final boss. He's the final boss, bro.
We're waiting for a good boss fight.
He's the final boss. That's fine. Terrifying, dude. Well, I've got a great pistol. Alright, didn't die. Guess we've got to figure out a secret path. Code.
That's it. He's like this fully created code.
Alright, maybe we gotta get to the chest on top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The chest.
Don't
Don't
open
open
it.
it.
Yeah, don't open it. What is it? Open
See.
it up. We'll give up. Nah, there's more to this. You made us dance, dude. I'm all for like Raven in the club, but this would have suited the
I think this is
group.
to celebrate us beating the map. I actually think we may have
You
beaten
think
the map.
this is it? You think this is the end? We checked, and apparently this is the end. That's the final boss. You can't even fight him, unfortunately. We did it! We did it, bro! We escaped the dream! This was supposed to be super hard. I guess we were just such dumb shits that got out. I'm just gonna give like a big shout out to our Jag. This map was so beautifully designed. Well, thanks for having me. You're a good sacrifice, dude. Loved it. Alright, well, the sign says leave. I guess we leave. Whee! Back to the creative hub. Roll credits. They've added custom lobbies for creators. It's about to be scuffed AF. When you give Laserbeam custom lobbies, you just know he about to break some shit. Dumb shit science is back. Yeah, basically we just do super crap because we're scientists. Quick special shout out to everyone using code Laserbeam. Saw a ton of support from yesterday's video. Fun fact, yesterday's video got demonetized immediately. So use code Laserbeam and say F you to YouTube. Holy shit! Nah, this is mental. This is mental. This is a locust swarm, boys. 100 players, all following directions. We're building a dumb shit science army.
Oh my god.
You are my lap rats. This is mental. Alright, only the ginge, only Laserbeam will be on the center pillar. Everyone off the center pillar. Everyone off the center pillar. Surround me, please.
Yeah, right.
Hey, whoa. Alright, way to be a little... Get banned! First experiment. 100 people dying at the exact same time. Everyone's making their way over. I'm doing a low flyby. Hello? Hello, I'm your king.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
You touch a gun, Juke will kill you. Juke's fucking crazy. Alright, no, these guys run away from the cliff.
Go to the edge.
Go to the
Go
edge.
to the edge.
Go to the edge.
Get to the edge.
Everybody,
Back up.
do as your Lord commands. Jump to your deaths. Go! Jump! Jump! Get off or I'll shoot you. Jump. There's still like 2 left. Why the people keep ruining it? There's 1 left. Yeah! It's so dumb. There's too many little shits. It's impossible to do it simultaneously. We got pretty close. The replay shot of so many defaults jumping to their death. It's gonna be gold. Second experiment. Pickaxe fight in the final circle for $100. The pickaxe battle arena is being built. The default gladiators are assembled. The snowmen are snowmanning. $100 to the winner of this pickaxe battle, by the way. So if you're being a scuffed little bastard, you're not going to get a chance at $100. Juke will just kill you and you won't win nothing. Plus, you must be inside the circle. Those on the screen right now. Once it closes, the battle begins. Alright, let the battle begin! Go! Bash, boys, bash! I just see it's like watching ants feast on other ants. This is crazy.
No one's dying. No one's dying. They're all trying to play tactical. Hardly anyone's dying.
$100 on the line to the person that can be the champion. The last man standing gets $100. Oh, the storm's closing in. Oh my god. Surprising amount of people still standing.
Yeah, no one's denying. Look, how many people are even swinging and just trying to run with the storm?
The numbers will start dropping, that's for sure.
I'll be, I've got an RPG. I'll use it at my feet. You know?
I'm about to have to land in this mess.
Don't wait.
Oh my god, this is about to be mental.
It's correct, Eddie Lee. Eddie Lee had to do this tonight.
Oh my god.
Use the fire stick, would you?
Oh my god, this is hectic as hell. Dude, numbers are gonna have to start dropping. Toasted's dead. Oh, holy shit. Get me up. Oh, this is mental. There's 50 people bashing in the final circle. They're gonna be caught up by the build. We're gonna get bashed. Alex is down. Oh, this is mental. Still 40 people left. How are you left? Holy shit. This is mental. How is Jugger alive? How is there still 32 people left in this? I'm about to with balloons too. This is crazy. 24 left. Jugger's down. Oh, get me up. Get me up. I did not know it would come down to this. 17 people left bashing. When the lab rats turn on each other. When money is on the line. I'm in the oh no! Who's the last one standing? YouTube Mr. Smelly takes out the pickaxe battle royale on 3 HP. I like how if you follow the replay shots, you can literally see where the battle went. Third experiment. Everyone throws down bottle rockets. Everyone get your bottle rockets from the machine. We've lost a great deal of soldiers. Just little wankies. But there's still time for you to get your bottle rockets. Let's go. Everyone get at least 2 bottle rockets from this machine. Alright, we've got like 56, 55 people left. Some are going to get lost in the storm. Some little wanker ruined it for us. Everyone's going to have 2 bottle rockets. We're going to throw down about 100 bottle rockets. Normally you can only throw down 2. But you got 50 people doing it at the same time. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Throw your bottle rockets. Throw your bottle rockets, boys. Oh, holy shit. It's literally cooked it. It's literally cooked it. I got a kill. Holy shit. Yeah, well, boys, I think that might be why you cannot throw more than 2. Let's witness this from a bird's eye view. Oh my god. Oh, it's cooked as. Dude, the fireworks bounced. The fireworks bounced and we're all laying on the ground. The game was so laggy, the fireworks didn't explode. That's jokes. Oh, that's mental. Oh, this game is cooked as. And they all started exploding at the same time. That's cooked as. Alright, next experiment. Everyone's gonna gather materials all game. Meet in a relatively final circle. And 100 people are gonna spam build until we crash this server. Alright, so yeah, everyone go where you want. Gather materials. We're gonna meet the final circle and have it like a dumb crap sprint face. Alright, we still got 90 people left. Some people were bad. But we've assembled our army, ready to crash this server. I wanna see everyone start building in the circle. Do not mess with anyone else's builds. Just start spam building my lab rats. People are literally floating. People are floating. What? People are literally floating. You can't build anymore. Holy shit. Holy shit. Mate, this server is completely cooked. We've done it. Dumb shit science has done it again. They started spam build at the same time, 90 people, and it just instantly broke it. People are just bloody floating around me. This is unreal. This is unreal. I'm gonna try and you can't get in vehicles. I'm gonna try and shoot. You can't shoot. The game is completely cooked, man. Like I'm stuck in a build. I'm just stuck inside a build. I literally can't see anymore. So the circle closed, right? But it's not shrinking. Like we have beyond cooked this game. I want to see all the random people floating. I can kind of see it from my dungeon, but I'm breaking it now. I'm free. The ginger's free. Oh my god. This is like You remember that Rift event? This looks like the Rift event where everyone's just floating around. Shoot! I'm starting to like, people's builds starting to pop in, guys.
Yeah.
People's build, I can start building again. What is happening? Oh my god. Glider redeploy. Glider redeploy. What is this shit? Starting to come back to life. The server is being resuscitated. Who's gonna get the victory royale? Holy shit. Yeah, the storm just appeared. Oh no, the storm is cooking me. The storm is starting to cook me. Yeah, I'm gonna die. You can't even see where the circle is anymore. The storm just appears. Oh my god, cooked night. There's floating campfires. There's floating defaults. Oh my god, brown builds are appearing. We don't know where the storm is. We don't know where it is. But it does hurt you. Oh, it just killed me. The storm just killed me out of nowhere. What the hell is happening? Someone's about to win this shit. The builds are starting to appear. I can't wait to see what replay modes and things is happening right now. I love some shit so very much. Oh, one man nugget has won the Storm Royale. You are the champion of the Cook server, brother. Congrats, dude. Congrats, I'm happy for you. Alright, so checking the replay, eventually stuff loaded in. People were still able to build, we just couldn't see it. People spamming stuff, and this is what they did. This is why the server got cooked. 90 people simultaneously building, instantly cooked. You gotta love yourself some damn shit. You've heard of Mr. Beast, the king of YouTube. Met him in person, great guy. Well, I'm about to be Mr. Bean. Basically, me and the boys sitting in Discord, chatting some shit. I was saying I was the king of hide and seek. They said I wasn't, so I bet them $10,000 I could beat them. And that's how this video came about. 4 rounds of hide and seek, $2,500 to the winner each round. Each round's on a different map. 12 defaults hunt us down. Last alive gets the dollars. If I win, I get nothing except bragging rights. It's the most high-stakes game of hide and seek you've ever seen. Who will win the money? Who will not win the money? It's all the drama in the world. Rise and grind. Let's get that gingerbread.
Mr. Bean, can I get some money, please?
Toasted, I know for a fact will win nothing. But we all know who the bloody king is. I'm going to win all 4 rounds. That means no one gets nothing. Map number 1. Christmas hide and seek. The simplest, smallest of the maps. But we're basically in a large living room. We're tiny little people. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Kwanzaa.
Shout out to my Kwanzas. Look at them. The hunters. We are the prey. Dennis, put him in the truck. Put him in the truck. An FBI supply drop of defaults getting dropped out, and then they're going to hunt us down. Alright, boys. They should all be in there. Let's get to our spots, eh? Let's get to our spots. Screw it. There's only one place I can go where Burnt Ginge belongs. Not my place, but there's no running from here. That's the thing. You literally can't get out. Oh, they're coming! Boys, they're loose! They're loose! The defaults are loose! Oh no! $2,500 on the line. I was found immediately. Well, we all know who the bloody king is. I'm going to win all 4 rounds. That means no one gets nothing. Oh, god damn it! Come on, where are the other boys? You can get them. You can get the other boys. Get them, guys. Get them. So long as Toasted doesn't win the money, I'll be happy. Kill Toast first.
What's up to me? I've got to run. Oh no!
Yes, big start. Yeah. Alright, there is Alex and Toast. So long as Toast does not win the money, I'll be happy. Come on, Alex, you can do it. Take my money. What? Hello? No! Kill Toasted wins the round. Get him, defaults. Make his desk group. Yes, he's been killed. Wow, of all people, Toasted survives the default horde. Toasted is the only person in this group defaulty enough to think like a default. He knew where they would not look. Round 2 is I forget the name of it, but it's a giant cyberpunk city. In this one, there is a bunch of items for us, so they will be able to use items to track us down. Boys, find your hiding spots. Yeah,
I'm trying.
find your hiding spots, boys.
So we're allowed raffle?
Yeah, I mean, I got it.
I guess we are.
31. Alright, boys, I'm hidden. I am hidden. Defaults have every tool available. Last alive gets the money. Oh, there's a little army. I see them down there. I see one infinite dabbing. My god, that's just terrifying. Let's see. Oh, they're coming, dude. They're coming. My spot is literally not a spot. I'm just getting ready to run. I'm just ready to run away. The defaults are coming.
They're coming. I can hear them. Grapplers and they have balloons.
Oh, I see. They definitely have balloons. You can't fight back. Tyson, you have to die from fall damage for that. You're out, bro. You can't kill. Alright, well, I'm just happy. I actually don't care anymore. I don't care about winning. Toast's not getting the money. I don't care. Wow. I just hear his screams, but I don't know where they're coming from. But it's music to the ears.
Oh, they got to look at you.
Oh my goodness, that was terrifying.
Knowing that there's like 12 brainless morons wanting to end your life is actually awful.
Should I tell them to go ahead and pick up some explosives?
Yeah, they can grab explosives. It's like watching Planet of the Apes, I swear to God. There's just a bunch of defaults swinging around the city. Just like cluelessly going. Don't know what they're doing. I'm a sneaky boy. Oh, no, something's in. Alex is done. Alex is down. I am not afraid at all. Look at this. Look at the bravery I'm displaying. You are all nothing to me. I am the king of the hide and seek. Get stickies thrown at me, bro. Yay! I'm out here, boys! You'll never take me alive! Not only am I the king of hide and seek, I'm the king of run away like a bitch. I'm literally just hiding in a corner now. I've completely started fleeing. No default board scares me.
I did it! I win! Victory!
Okay, maybe default horde scares me. Vic has just taken $2,500. Next up, we've got Cryptic Castle, boys. It's a castle, Cryptic. Are they default horde ready to hunt? I'm almost ready to hide anyway.
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Choose hide one.
Yeah, I'm hiding.
I've got a spot too.
Alright. Get to the hiding spots and put it in
I'm in. I'm ready to go. I can guarantee in this one that I am truly the king of hide and seek, and I will not be giving any of you $3. They're on their way. They're out there. They're
Even the king right above you. It's so terrifying.
Oh my, they're building up, they're building up, they're building up, they're building up, they know Lannon. They know. They know that it's going to stop Lannon.
I am fine. They're never finding me, surely. Wait, what? How? No! They were FBI opening up. I tried to escape. No! No! No!
Okay. Oh, Alexander.
Alex is done. Big Star and Toasted Shoes. You were both the champions of the last hide and seek round because the defaults were way too stupid to check a tree and check a ledge. Anyway, point being, someone has to take the dollars. World's most epic rock, paper, scissors matchup. It's about to go down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright. Well, let's go.
Oh my god! They've tasted it all! We can all celebrate the day that Toasted doesn't get money.
Let's go.
This map I call Scuff City because I made it myself. Lots of free should be the hardest one. Alright, so we should hide, I guess. Wait for everyone to land and join and all that sort of crap. Wait, sure, bro. This is free for all. Our boys gonna have RPGs. Like, they're gonna be coming for you. Find your spots, boys. On your spots.
No. I think we told Larry we were already doing it.
No, mate, I'm not trying to cut it. I'm just around. Oh, I've got a beast of a spot. They have 3 hours and 45 minutes to find us on this one. We're all dying. The default horde has been unleashed with their RPGs. He just killed himself. Defaults, everybody. With so many explosions in the distance, so much more terrifying. I can't lose any more money, bros. I'm actually fucking broke. I can't afford to lose any more money.
No more bugs.
Oh god, the federal default inspectors, the FBI. The FBI are above me.
Check room first. Are you sure about that? Nick, can I say something? I just saw the bug in my life. Did you see it?
Is that Vic? Alex, I'm okay with either you or me. Everyone else has got money. It has to be you or me. Preferably me. I'd rather you die. But like, honestly, like, I can see them. Like, out the corner of my eye. They're destroying the building right next to us.
You want to know the funny thing?
What?
I was streaming the entire time.
What's the thing big?
The FBI
Nick, what's the thing big?
slowly breaking everything.
Like, you look different out of all the other mosquitoes.
They're narrowing it down. The FBI is narrowing the search.
Nick, that's on the. Did you hear something smack? My dad on my phone. I started writing songs, started writing stories, learning about that glory. My boys are with me, so I'm seeking glory. That's what I'm have to leave behind my brother. I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. 61, come to bed or I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old, and the world is cold. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old, and the world is cold.
day. Great video. That was awesome. A lot of fun. Brought it back. That was amazing. Nick Merckx plays up. Oh, Nick. Oh. So fucking well. You were awesome. We got more serious video about guys, seriously, happy 9 years. Thank you guys so much for sticking with us strong. It's crazy that we can go out there. It won't be this time.
So for this week's update day, it looks like we've got the most cooked item yet. Of course, I'm talking about the storm flip. This thing looks ridiculous. Obviously got teased a couple days ago in the news feed. Look how big it is. Like, look at that. It's huge. It's going to completely change World Cup games, and unfortunately I won't be able to play this weekend at all. I'll be traveling to America. But that's not the only bad news. I have to report on a gun that has been faulted, the Hunter rifle. That was a really fun weapon. Everyone liked the Hunter rifle. It's balanced, it's cool, and, you know, it's strong. It's cool. In other news, the
That's a new background.
very blue, as you guys
I don't
can
know.
see. I think it's something to do with the Polar Peak Bend. the skin styles. The hazard agent and the toxic trooper can now be yellow. I think for the purpose of today's video, we're going to become yellow.
Hurry.
Alright, then we're going to jump into some games.
Eat yellow swag bag.
I don't know how we're going to use it. I don't know how rare it's going to be.
Bang.
Guys, don't touch
Bang,
it.
bang,
Update
bang,
here.
bang.
Make sure to like, rating down below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let's jump in. Alright, game number 1. Give me the Storm Blitz. Love to see macro gliders on some players. You love that. Yo, 2 pads. 1 next to each other. That's pretty rare. Oh! He's made it a storm. He's going off the bat and he's made the whole house. I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of smart. That guy flew into the storm. I don't know why he did that. That was kind of cheap. Someone's gonna storm flip up there too. Oh, he's throwing a storm flip here. How are these kids getting all these storm flips? Jeez. I thought these things were gonna be rare. I've seen 3 in the span of a couple seconds. Okay, now this guy has got good accuracy.
Oh, look at here. How long has it been?
Never long enough. Now, excuse me.
Gotcha. Nice player. Not epic. Combat 2 to you. No, but I got this. Really? One more then. Got you, sweaty soccer skin. What? Oh, Matt. I didn't deserve to win that. I'm just gonna be real. I didn't deserve to win. Also, I blew literally all my mats. Where are my storm flips at? I want to flip on some kids. I don't know what my man's doing, but there's a little bit of respect there. Alright, there's one down. There's another toxic trooper, too. Gotcha, fishy boy! Alright, now, who's got the, like someone else is here? Couldn't see her, she's like blended in. I'm still looking for the damn storm flip, guys. No one's got it. Bo got nerfs. Leave that on the ground. No one's got storm flips for him. Now you're sweating for nothing. Oh, got my own storm flip and a shield. Alright. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. Nice. I'm not trying to get this. Definitely want some of the juice, right? Yeah, oh, and there's a third party behind you. Whatever. Gotcha, boy. Oh, I want the fonts, dude. I really want the fonts. But I want to use the storm flip late game, you know? My boys read the patch notes. Turrets do less cooldown now. Or more cooldown, so they can shoot for longer. And someone just snapped me. Crap out of it. I knew that was coming. Gotcha! I can only stack a maximum of 1 storm flip, but I haven't even seen another one to use yet. I want to flip his storm, but not yet, you know? I'm feeling you might have one. storm gets smaller. I think someone just used one. Oh, he's using it to hold himself out the zone. What's the vertical limit of this thing? Yo, this thing's huge! Okay, I'm good. These guys are fighting the storm right now. But surely they're both being affected by the storm. Like, surely. Alright, well, he's used his bottle flip. So if I control high and use the bottle flip, this zone is like the same size as the other zones. So all I gotta do, he just used another one, I think. He did use another one. I just keep on his part, because I've got high. I'm fine. We wait for the next one, because no one's pushing me right now. I can use the bottle flip. Oh, what? Oh no! I didn't even mean to use it! Yikes! I misclicked! Oh, it's the fattest yikes. Please don't engulf me. Oh, I can't believe I've done this. Holy yikes, dude. There's the bot. And the guy in there is the sweat. What? Really? The bot's gonna press me? Are you kidding me, bro? I'm not even in. Thanks, dude. My man's be sweating. Yeah, there's a trade there at the end. Ah! If only I hit that second shot in the air, dude, I would have got him. 80 bunny shot would have killed him. Yeah, get your 90s out, you little sweat. Alright, whatever, that's game one. I wanted to use it the other. Game over against the storm flip, or we're gonna accidentally go into the ball. Yeah, all through the floor. Oh, yeah, goes by the book, what? Oh, poor default. Located the enemy, look him down. Give me that, give me that.
I think that's why it feels not cooking out.
Really, just put a storm foot down, or someone else did. Whatever you said. Yeah, he's got. Oh, boy's trying to sweat on me. I'm so excited he used that storm flip. Oh, did he get one out? I think he did. No, he didn't. Alright. Boys, I'm trying to test my curve action today. I wouldn't do it. Oh, yeah. Like I said, I would test my curve action, but I think it's soft. Yeah, well, the bad news is, damage. Oh, the good news is we got the storm flip. Okay. Literally get out of here, man. Jeez. How many of them put there? No!
One last. Again. Never playing this level again. I'm never playing this level again.
come back with this video. Okay, so this is the email right there. I'm just gonna put it in this video so I don't have to do Instagram. Not everybody got Instagram, right? So I'm just gonna put that email in this video here, right? And before I give you guys the password, bro, you guys just have to watch the video. Right? Before I give you guys the password, bro, just listen. Right? So I'm gonna give an account every 3 freaking weeks, right? Every 3 weeks, I'm gonna give an account, right? So before that 3 weeks, right? If one of you guys just cancel the membership and shit like that, or if you guys cancel the membership, or you guys change the password and shit, so don't even think, every 3 weeks, right? So if that 3 weeks is not there, bro, don't even think, right? Don't think. If you guys should do anything to the account, right? Change the password and shit. Actually, if somebody did change the password, I didn't change the password, right? But if somebody just cancel the membership and shit like that, bro, it'll be kind of hard for you to just do it again, bro. Every 3 weeks, right? If I give you guys the password, bro, yes, follow that rule, bro. And the password will be somewhere in the video, right? The password will be somewhere in the video, right? So
What if someone changes their password?
or just cancel the membership?
Then you get alerted on
for 3
Xbox.
weeks, right? But after 3 weeks, you guys can do it in the video. Okay, so before I show you guys how to do
That's
this,
the same
right,
for
you guys need to do one in person.
Oh, this is gonna be stupid. Codes. I know this is stupid. We're gonna try out one. Who else in the DD? They want to mix it up. That's PSN. Here. Says Xbox Games. I know, but that's PSN. Because that's 12. How much is Xbox? Like 6. That's 12 because Xbox is 20. Or 16. Try the old ones. Well, they're patched by it. By now. Fate. Yeah, we'll just give a free card. Try the 2 month.
Sound like a little
Didn't work. Hmm? Nick, I wish you to explain.